Well, count.
Please come over here. Yes, Ate, and what are you looking? Where are you looking? And when you turn again, that's the living room.
Good morning, Philippines.
7 o'clock, but we get up like I get up for almost 5 o'clock, and my husband got up like 8. No, 8. 3 or 4, something like that, and then he just go direct to the shower, and that's it. Oh, it's closed. Hi guys, we're finally done, and you know what? It's really a headache because it's a headache. Papers everywhere, lawyers. There are lawyers over here. And what did you do outside? What did you do? I will give you a tour now, guys. I'm gonna use my camera because my sister-in-law, because she's annoying. If I do that, she'll laugh at me. So I'm gonna do it now while she's not here. So okay, I'll see you. I'm gonna show you the house now, and yeah, this is what you can see first. This is what you can see when you're in the door. Han, are you okay over there? Yeah. And when you turn to the right, it's the stairs go to the second floor. And if you turn to the left, it's the dining. That's the dining area. If you keep going, guys, when you turn to the right, it's the master bedroom. And you keep looking, this area here is a living room area, and this is the kitchen. This is what I like about this. It's an open concept. The dining, and you can see the front door, and this is the kitchen, guys. So if you keep going here, this is a bedroom, but it's very small bedroom. But we're gonna make this as an office, my husband's office. It's empty here. This is the laundry area here. The laundry area. I have a lot of space here for drawer, something like that. And yeah, I will. This is going to the garage, going to the basement. I'm not showing you the basement. And let's see to the master bedroom. It's a big bedroom, and there's a big walk-in closet, guys. But this is not my room. This is not a room because we're gonna let my mother-in-law stay here. So there is a bathroom over here, bathtub, shower. Oh, there's a little TV over here. This TV is so funny, guys. I make fun of this TV. I'm just going to eat my lunch. Han, what are you gonna have, Han?
You have to have the whole place taped. No, that's a lot.
No, I can do it.
No, that's a lot. No, too much. No, you get bored. I tell you what.
Yeah, I can just stand over there.
You on my shoulders.
Oh my God! Even if I stand over there, I can't reach it.
I'm gonna have to hike you on my shoulders and shove you up there. You're gonna have to crawl on your belly across the cabinet.
I'm heavy, Andrea.
I don't know how you get up there, to be honest.
You need a big leg.
Thanks. Oh,
Cheers.
well.
Cheers, lots of luck.
Congratulations, kids.
Okay,
we have to go to Mom. Happiness in your new home. Lots of luck.
Here's hoping.
Lots of
Well, count. Everybody but me should go to.
So, talking about new home and lots of luck, how was that closing?
So here it is.
I didn't bring. Oh, I got plastic cups for a little water.
Oh, gold shoggers. Yeah, you don't want to drink.
Oh.
You don't want to drink anything that has gold in your body. Can't digest it.
You know what? I have a little tiny bottle of that somewhere. I don't know. I was talking to one of Steven's coaches or something. This was the kids were little, and he gave me, those little. I don't know. They used to be dollar like airport bottles. They're not dollars anymore.
The small one.
Yeah, and I used to have it in my china cabinet, and it's clear. It's like a peppermint, right, or something like that. Is that what? Find it now. I don't know where it is.
You don't want to drink it.
Wait, is that
Are you
gold?
supposed to
The
drink?
body
gold?
cannot digest gold
So why did you put gold in the wine?
because it's small amounts, so it's not very.
Oh my God, it's very cold. You open the thing, you don't know what's there. This door is open, so.
Come on. Fresh air.
We open it when we start making. the floor. Protect the floor. Protect the floor. This is not really the entrance. It's our entrance.
Well, anyway, it comes into the garage.
Well, mostly it's our thing because no one can go in there. It's gonna be our car plus your workshop. It's doing also the fireplace. He's painting. Oh, you're not even go down here yet?
What happened?
You don't go down?
Yeah, I did.
It's different. Did you see the line? Did you see the line?
Yeah,
Go over here.
Because it comes through, huh?
Look, there's line.
Yeah, I went down, believe me.
What is that?
You're getting first you're getting shadows from the lighting. But,
Ah, okay. It's very white.
but
Nice now. Yeah.
Because they just threw paint on it. You can see a lot of raw wood too. They never painted like underneath.
Yeah.
Because nobody sees that unpainted.
It looks very nice now and white. It looks very nice and very white now. Before it turned a dirty white. It's like it's not eggshell. How do you call that, honey? The
Off-white.
off-white, yeah. But I don't know. I called it dirty white. Or most people in the Philippines called it dirty white, or maybe just me dirty. It's nice white. That's why when I'm looking at the fireplace, I said, why the picture?
But there's
Why?
paint drips in here from them. That's not from me, so you know that.
What?
These paint drips. That was from them.
Okay. Well, that's why when I'm thinking, I said, why the window is kind of more white? Oh, you're doing the roller now.
Yeah, because I brush them all the edges and I brush spots, the dark spots, so maybe to hide it a little bit.
Yeah.
Recoating, but lifting some of the old stuff, it's not coating great.
Yeah.
But that's alright. I mean, it looks good. The inside piece is the only one that wasn't done too much, so that's the one that looks the worst part of it.
Yeah. You're doing it. You know what you're doing in the fireplace, so I'm not gonna touch it. I won't touch you, big boy. This is a really good tape. The one deep blue. But yeah, so this is all the mist here. We don't just take that off. But yeah, the paint is not really bad, guys, right? The difference of this is, look, you can tell the color there before. You can tell the difference. Let's see. What did you use my thing over here? You don't put water yet. Hon, you have to clean this up. There's a lot of things. Oh. I'm just eating my food. It's my lunchtime. It's 1 o'clock already, and yeah, it's 1 o'clock, and I'm just watching
Alright, well, I'll call the principal and make an appointment.
a movie, and
gonna come. The birds have just begun.
it's time to clean up, guys. I'm done for now, and I'm just gonna put everything back to where this belongs. Okay, I've been doing the trim, done with the thing in here, the hallway, this entrance. Maryann, I can't find the steak. Where is the steak? It's not over here. I can't find it. So, can you just show it to me, please? Come over here. Yes, Ate. What are you looking? Where are you looking? Steak? You can find a steak. Steak is right here. Oh. You can't find it. What the heck? You just use your mouth. Oh. Oh my goodness, no baby, no. You left him in there, hon? How long you left him? Okay, let's go inside the house first. Let's go. Come in, can you? Oh, you're going back. Come here. Come to mama. Come here. You're not going back to the car. Come here, baby. Come here. Oh my goodness, no way. Oh, Mina, love ni mama natin. Oh, he's still honey, oh look.
Yeah, he was scared.
Oh my god, we tortured him. We tortured him. Come. He jumped in there, guys, in the corner and hide. And I have food over here. Get out in there, Hobbs.
Let him give him a little time to get comfortable.
That's a cow there. He jumped from the Humpty Hump. No baby, no baby, no. Okay, let's eat. We're on the way home, guys. I'm sorry about the music. Look, the cat is right there. Roxy, enough. You good? Okay, let's go inside. Look what happened, guys. There is a dark line. I really like the result of the line. That tape, it's just ridiculously nice. When I dropped my mother-in-law to dialysis, guys, you know, because of this problem right now, this Ebola thing. What the heck is this? Hold on. They have this Ebola problem. And, yeah, they checked me. Oh, God. And I always have a headache, you know. My headache is always like every day. I'm just gonna go dusting with the little thing in there, in here. Dust. I'm using Pledge, this one here. This is what I'm using for like dusting because it makes it shiny. My head is killing me, guys. I don't know. Hey, Hubs, clean up your mess. This is the living room, guys. I'll show it to you. That's the living room. And that one is a massage chair. The massage chair. And yeah, I put cover in it because the cat will scratch because that's leather. Dining area. So, the dining area there, did you see that door? That door right there that I close? That's the door going to the kitchen. So if you keep coming here, you keep coming. This is the dining area here. Yeah, dining area. And when you turn again, that's the living room. This is the TV area here. So I'm here in the TV, and that TV there is the mirror. The whole thing here is the mirror. The whole thing. Go to the floor. From to the ceilings and to the floor, it's a mirror. And we put the TV here and everything like that. That's massage chair. It's very useful when people come here for massage. And I don't use that often. My husband doesn't use it. And my mother-in-law, which is, she never used it for a long time already. So that's a very short tour. You know, you can see this is the wedding picture, and I will show it to you. I don't know. Too much light, that one, guys. At least you see his face, you know. It's not that you can hear his voice, but I can't put him onto my vlog. And I just don't want him to get mad at me because...
Rockabye, baby, rockabye.
Rockabye, rockabye.